Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix BBC iPlayer not working on Smart TV, app, network and firmware fix. Fix 1 is restart your Smart TV. Turn off your TV, unplug the power cable, then wait for 60 seconds, plug the TV back in and turn it on. Open BBC iPlayer again. Second one is check your internet connection. Open another streaming app like YouTube. If it also doesn't work, restart your Wi-Fi router. Move the TV closer to the router if you're using Wi-Fi. If possible, connect the TV using an Ethernet cable. Third one is force close and reopen BBC iPlayer. Exit BBC iPlayer completely, then close it from the TV's recent app menu. Wait a few seconds, then open BBC iPlayer again. Fourth one is update the BBC iPlayer app. Open your TV's app store, then search for BBC iPlayer. Install any available update, then launch the update app. Fifth one is sign out and sign back in. Open BBC iPlayer, then go to settings or account. Sign out, sign back in using your BBC account. Complete TV activation is prompted. Thanks for watching.